Taser, taser, taser. Come get. Christ. Shots fired. We have 2 shots fired.
This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. It provides an objective analysis of real-life police bodycam footage to discuss law enforcement procedures, public safety, and legal aspects. We do not glorify violence or promote any particular viewpoint. Viewer discretion is advised.
Step away from my car! Step away from my car!
What?
Go ahead and kill me.
Melissa.
What all you want to do?
Melissa.
I'm about to on you with this
Melissa, what is going on today? What's the deal?
Look, I'm not talking to anybody. Y'all need to shoot me or kill me right now.
I understand. I hear what you're saying, but what happened? Would you take something today? Can you be honest with me? Did you take something?
I didn't.
Okay. You're sober?
Well, I drink alcohol, but that's it.
Okay, that's it. Were you feeling like this before you drank?
I don't know that. Hold on. Go ahead and kill me.
Nobody's gonna kill you, Melissa.
Step away from my car.
Huh.
Y'all can take me all y'all want, but I'm telling
Trying to
you,
get her away from my car.
this is gonna be hands off.
Okay, Melissa.
Melissa, please.
Nobody is going to kill you. No one is going to harm you. You know how this ends? Okay? We're not doing this.
Do not talk to me. Go ahead and get I already all this today.
Okay.
When the officers arrives, things are already tense. The woman is visibly aggressive, gripping a pickaxe in a bed. He immediately gives clear verbal commands, which is standard practice. But here's the key question: we do officers always give verbal warnings first? Because legally, they're required to attempt de-escalation before using force unless there's an immediate threat. Despite the warnings, the woman refuses to comply and moves toward the officers. This is the moment where things start escalating fast. Officers now have to decide keep trying to talk her down or prepare for a defensive response.
Y'all can taser me, go and taser me, and I'll fuck y'all up and kill me at this point.
Melissa, come on.
I'm being serious.
I know, but let's just set it down and talk. Let's at least go that route. Please.
Set one of them down.
No, I'm not.
Just one of them.
Can you at least sit down then? Can we just talk? Please.
We've established that nobody here is going to hurt you. Okay? Look at me in my eyes and know that I'm telling you the truth. None of us are going to hurt you. Okay? None of us are going to kill you.
The only result in here is y'all want me dead.
Okay.
And y'all have the gun, so go ahead and
No, see, you're putting that so simply. Like that's how it works. No, that's not how it works. This is complicated. Okay? There's no reason for me to pull my weapon on you, okay? Because right now, there's distance between us. We can figure something else out, okay? At the end of the day, we just want to get you some help. Obviously.
The help that y'all can give us and give me a bullet in my head.
Can we agree that this is not working out? Like something's off right now, obviously, right?
Obviously, there's something wrong.
Okay.
I'm about to make y'all kill myself or do cop suicide.
Okay.
That friend all day.
Is there anybody else here?
I'm not going to say that.
Because there is.
I'm not going to answer nothing.
Okay. Are you sure you didn't take something? Your mouth is very dry for having just drank alcohol. You didn't take anything?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Have you done this before? This kind of thing before?
Just go ahead and kill me.
I'm not going to kill it. Nobody, like I said, nobody's going to kill you. All right? Nothing like that's going to happen. All right? Put one down for me.
I'm not putting anything down until y'all kill me.
Okay.
This will be hold up until y'all fucking kill me. Then I'll be rest in peace, whatever. I'm looking at through y'all.
Okay.
And I know what how this is going. You're about to jump me?
Nobody's going to jump you.
Yeah.
Okay, keep your distance, please. Keep your distance.
That's not
No. Just stop right there.
What are you doing?
I'm not having stuff. This is what I was
Did she
saying.
take
She's
anything?
mentally ill.
Okay.
I planned for them to come here.
That's
to
what she wants
shoot
to-
me, and if you start gonna take me out,
They are not going to shoot you. Put that down. I'm going to beat you up.
Please don't get too close to her, because then it's
I'm
my.
not scared of her.
I understand that, but it's my responsibility if something happens.
Leanne,
Mama,
put that stuff down now.
I will kill my. No,
Put it
Why
down.
don't you walk over here with us?
I will do this. I'm not.
Oh my God.
Yeah, when we go over there and talk.
Oh my God.
Taking it.
She takes. She don't. She's trying to get cops to kill her right now.
Okay. Did she take anything?
Yeah, she's taking a bunch of but she's still crazy.
Okay.
Oh Jesus! I just got her out of the hospital
Right there.
on the 8th.
Well, we're gonna get her. We're gonna get her help. That's what we're gonna try to
Oh
do.
my
We're not
God.
gonna. We're gonna resolve it peacefully.
She's a good kid. She just all messed up in the head. Oh my God.
We're gonna resolve it peacefully.
That's because of all this shit. I'm sick
I
of
don't want
it.
to go that route, though.
Everything is
That's just
delusional
gonna-
control.
That's just gonna agitate her. Melissa.
Sorry, Mom, but I'll be resting in peace with Jesus in front of us.
Yeah, not gonna happen. Again, not
Yes,
gonna
I'm
happen.
dying.
Melissa, put your things down.
I'm not
Thank
Melissa,
you for getting the
listen.
whole neighborhood.
Melissa.
I'm gonna off. Shoot me.
Dispatch any available unit out on this.
23. Please hold the air. Still, we're gonna stand off with her.
10-4.
And I have planned all this.
Listen.
Suicide by cop, and I'm not done.
Hey, Benjamin.
Whoa.
Ma'am,
Easy,
back
ma'am.
away.
Back away from her.
Don't do
Back
that,
away from her. Back
Don't
away
do
from her. I'm gonna take the key out of this thing, okay? That
Ma'am, just please.
negative. We're working on it.
Back up.
You're not
Just-
gonna
just-
ruin this
just-
for me, Mom.
You're going back to the
Backing
hospital.
up. We'll just keep backing
Just
up.
stay away from the
Ma'am.
street.
I'm backing up. Y'all take
Taser. Come get. Christ.
I know you didn't shoot her.
Shots fired. We have 2 shots fired.
What?
Roll over.
I know you didn't, you stupid.
After this shooting, officers secure the scene and immediately call for medical assistance. And this is important because even when force is used, police are required to render aid. Every officer's involved shooting then goes through a legal review. Investigators look at body cam footage, witness statements, and department policies to determine if the use of force was justified. Some cases end up being ruled as justified, while others spark investigations. This process is critical for police accountability, but it's also what fuels public debate. Incidents like this always bring mixed reactions. Some argue the officers did exactly what was necessary. Others say better de-escalation tactics could have been used. And it brings up a big question: should police be more reliant on non-lethal alternatives? Tasers and rubber bullets exist, but they don't always work, especially against an armed and aggressive suspect. This is why police tactics keep evolving. Balancing officer safety with public accountability is a constant challenge. This case highlights how fast-paced can escalate in police work. Officers don't always have the luxury of time, and their decisions are analyzed by the public, the law, and internal reviews. So, what's your take? Was this response justified, or do you think something else could have been done? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.